Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share my friend's kitchen garden. See, it's from Manipur. So let's see what's in her garden. So these are the buckwheat leaves. It's quite bushy and it's already started flowering and soon they will form seeds. And she has got quite lots of beans and they are ready for harvesting. Look at this. Some of them are runner beans. And these are special kind of vegetables in Manipur. And these are quite famous in Nepal as well. Quite famous among Nepalese people. She has got some chili plants. And these are herbs that are very famous in Manipur. Wow, look at these beans. Lots of beans. And here are some herbs, mints. And this is a broad leaf spinach, giant leaf spinach. They are really very healthy. They are very healthy and lots of iron present in the spinach. Wow, look at this ivy, English ivy. She has got some beautiful roses as well. Some mixed flowers in her garden. And she has got some spring onions, beans again. Such a healthy spring onion she has. Look at this. Alright, she has got some succulents that are kept outside during summer. During winter we have to take them indoor. And she has some marigold plants as well. And she has got some beautiful flowers in a basket. Wow, beautiful begonia. And here she has done some beautiful flower arrangements in a baskets. So that was it guys. My friend has got beautiful kitchen garden, hasn't she?